Imagine this. You wake up, lace up your shoes, and step outside into the crisp morning air. With every step, you're not just moving, you're transforming your body. But how? What actually happens to you when you walk every single day? Keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll be blown away by how this simple daily habit can create extraordinary changes. Body setup. Walking might seem like the most basic exercise, right? But its benefits are anything but basic, especially if you're in your 40s or 50s. Walking is like flipping a switch for your overall health and well-being. Today, we're breaking down the powerful ways walking can transform your life, from your muscles and joints to your mental health. Spoiler alert, it's not just about losing weight. So let's lace up and take this journey together. Ready? Let's start with something you'll notice right away. The moment you start walking, your heart says thank you. Research shows regular walking lowers the risk of heart disease by up to 31%. Your heart is a muscle, and walking strengthens it step by step. As your circulation improves, your risk of high blood pressure and stroke drops dramatically. Here's the best part. The more consistent you are, the more years you may add to your life. Did you know something as simple as walking can literally extend your lifespan? Who needs a time machine when you've got sneakers, right? So if you think walking is too easy to matter, think again. Every step is like a vote for your future self, one that keeps you strong and thriving as the years go by. But it gets even better. Walking isn't just helping your heart, it's doing something huge for your joints next. Let's talk about something we often ignore, your muscles and joints. Walking every day helps maintain lean muscle mass, especially in your legs and core. And if you're in your 40s or 50s, this is pure gold. As we age, muscle naturally declines, but consistent walking slows that down, keeping you fit, stable, and mobile for years. And there's more. Walking actually lubricates your joints, reducing the risk of osteoarthritis, one of the most common issues adults face. Think of it like oiling the gears of a machine. With less friction, your body moves smoother and with less pain. But what if I told you walking isn't just reshaping your body, it's about to change something you can't see: stress. Mental health. Here's the hidden superpower of walking. It's incredible for your mental health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of walking can significantly reduce anxiety and depression. But wait, it gets better. Walking in nature or even around your neighborhood boosts creativity and sharpens your focus. Ever notice your best ideas show up when you're walking? That's not random. That's science. Walking releases endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals, instantly lifting your mood. With less stress and more clarity, you're not just moving forward physically, you're moving forward mentally too. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire mind. But before we wrap up, there's one last life-changing benefit daily walking brings. Conclusion. So let's recap. Walking every day strengthens your heart, builds muscle, protects your joints, and boosts mental clarity, all from a simple daily habit that requires no gym, no fancy gear, and no membership fees. It's amazing how much walking can do for both your body and mind. And to think, all you needed was a pair of shoes and the willingness to begin. But here's the real question. If walking can create such a massive change, imagine what happens when you tap into even more motivation and personal power. If you're ready to take the next step toward unlocking your full potential, check out my next video on discovering your inner strength and motivation. Keep moving, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one. Movement number 5 is Cat-Camel Spinal Waves. Modern life has locked up your spine. Sitting all day turns it stiff, rigid, and painful. Your spine is designed to move, segment by segment. Get on your hands and knees, round your spine slowly, then reverse it into a gentle arch. Move like a wave, smooth and controlled. 10 to 15 reps twice a day. This pumps fluid into your spinal discs, reduces stiffness, and tells your nervous system that movement is safe again. Most chronic back tension disappears when the spine remembers how to move. What if I told you that just 5 simple movements you can do right at home, in your living room, without any fancy gear, could help you stay strong, steady, confident, and independent for the rest of your life? No gym memberships, no painful routines, no confusing workouts. Just gentle, powerful exercises that help your body feel younger, your joints move easier, and your energy rise higher than it has in years. And if you're over 60, these exercises might be one of the greatest gifts you give your future self.